How to create Canva presentations 2025, especially for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning presentation use Canva in 2025. Whether you are a student, coach, business owner, or freelancer, this beginner's guide will help you create pro-level slides with zero design experience. So first of all, you have to go to canva.com and click create a design here and search for presentation. So let me search for presentation. So here we can see some aspect ratio for the video we will be making. So I'll go with 16 is to 9, which is 1920 into 1080p. So I'll select that, and it's better for talking presentation, for welcome overlays, or mobile first presentation, or whiteboard presentation. So first of all, I have opened a blank deck to start with the template. So here, as we can see, here are many templates here. So we have to choose a simple and easy to understand template, which is also free. So for that, we have first go go to the templates and search by theme. We can also search by theme like business pitch, business pitch, or you can also search for class project, portfolio, marketing report, and click a design. And we have to select apply all pages. So let's search for business pitch deck. We'll click on the design and apply all pages, apply all 11 pages. So you now have a full slide deck ready to customize. Let me give you some pro tip. Stick to templates with bold heading, consistent color palettes, and 10 to 15 slides max for best flow. So now we have to customize the slides with content. So for that, you can go to ChatGPT and ask for script for the type of the content you need, just like business presentation, business presentation template ideas. You can also add like creative presentation ideas. It will now generate. There are 10 creative business presentation ideas. It's giving you the ideas. So you can select any of them. Then would you like templates or slide based on any of the styles? Yes, number 9, please. And it will give you a journey timeline presentation template. Okay, our journey, past, present, future, and all slide, cover side, title, the journey so far, subtitle, and we can just drag and drop from information from here and there, and we should just slide 1, cover slide. So the title is the journey so far. So let's copy from here and paste it, the journey so far. Now we should, okay, and it's also written presentation by, so I can change the name like presentation by Ricky. And you can also select these elements. You can also remove or add these elements here and there, and you can also change the font style and size. And then this is the title, so let's just see whatever it says. It says include your logo and background image that reflects movement, growth, or path. As I it's a tutorial video, so I'll let it be and go to the second page, page 2, and then we'll select introduction and purposes. Brief intro to set context, why this journey matters. Introduction and purpose, brief into set context, why this journey matters. So let it be greetings and present communication tool that can be used for demonstration. Okay, let's say we are a experienced experienced company on the IT sector of US as serving more than thousand companies companies for decades. Uh, we have started in the year of 1998. So we can do that for the introduction purpose and all. And you can also see there slide 3, you can start pointing the origin, key milestones along the way. Then on slide 7, today's status, the road ahead. The road ahead means the what's next or your vision, future vision, list future goals and all. Then slide 10, challenges and how you will tackle them, call to action, final thoughts. So I am not doing complete presentation. I'm just here to showcase you the items. You can use some elements, or you can use some elements or icons here as you like, and you can also create elements from here. Generate your own. See, so then you can do this for all the sites here, and then you can delete the slide you don't want, or if it's duplicate you can also delete the page. And as you can see, it's deleted, and also you can add new slides to them. You can also customize on your own. And this is where Canva beats PowerPoint. It's visual first and ultra fast, no formatting headaches, just drag, drop and done. So you can also add transitions, animations, as I've told you, from the elements. Use page transition, video slides for smoother flow. You can add page transitions like this. Add transition, you can add dissolve or slide or line wipe, color wipe, whatever you like to do, like match and move. And you can also add here also. You can also add transition between every slide like this. And give let me tell you something optional. You can also add gifs or short video clips for energy, and then you can click on notes under each slide to add speaker cues. And then go to presenter view, shows timer, notes, upcoming slides. Use talking presentations. If you want to show your face while presenting, record it with Canvas recording tool if you're making a video presentation. And because presenter view turns Canva into a real-time presentation tool, even better than Zoom or PowerPoint if you're working solo. And last of all, I'll now show you download your presentation or share it. So you will have to go to the share option, then download. In the download section you can see that there is many file types. You can select PDF in standard, PDF print, PPTX, MP4 video, any of them. And you can also share the link directly from here. Only you can access, you can do it anyone with the link and just copy link and paste it anywhere. And let me show you, just like this, paste it anywhere and it will directly take you to the presentation. And you can also publish as website, great for portfolios or online slideshows. Let me give you some pro tips also. Use Canvas magic resize, and it's unfortunately it's only in pro version, to adapt your presentation into a social post or infographic. So you can do use bold titles and short sentences as its final touches and tips. Stick to one idea per slide. Use a higher contrast colors for accessibility. End with a strong CTA slide or thank you screen. Add a QR code if you are linking to an external doc or contact info. So, and that's how to create professional Canva presentation in 2025, from templates to customization, animations, and presenter tools. Whether you are teaching, pitching, or reporting, this is the fastest way to build stunning slides. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and comment below if you want a full guide on recording or delivering your presentation inside Canva. Till the next video,